In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create, share, and edit snapshots in GoHighLevel. Snapshots are essentially templates of an entire sub-account. They let you duplicate funnels, workflows, settings, and other assets so you can quickly spin up new accounts with the same structure. This is especially useful if you run an agency or you have a proven setup you want to reuse. First, head over to your GoHighLevel agency launchpad. This is your main home base at the agency level. From here, look for the option labeled Account Snapshots. Go ahead and click that. This takes you to the Snapshots area where you can manage everything related to templates of your sub-accounts. Next, in the Snapshots page, find the button that says Create New Snapshot and click on it. This is where you'll define what this new snapshot is and where it's coming from. You'll now be asked to type in a snapshot name. Choose something descriptive and easy to recognize later. For example, including the niche or the client type in the name. Good naming will save you a lot of confusion when you start building multiple snapshots. Once you've named it, click on the sub-account dropdown. Here you'll select the specific sub-account you want to use as the source for this snapshot. This should be the account that already has all the funnels, automations, and settings you want to replicate. After you've picked the sub-account, click on the Next button. At this point, GoHighLevel will start loading everything from that sub-account. Depending on how many assets you have, this may take a moment, so just let it load fully and don't refresh the page while it's working. When the loading is done, you'll see a list of assets that can be included in the snapshot. To choose what you want to bundle into the snapshot, click on the white check boxes next to each asset type. You can include everything or just select only the items you know you'll need. Once you're happy with your selections, click on Create. GoHighLevel will now generate your snapshot based on the options you chose. After the snapshot is created, look for it in your snapshots list and click on the three dots next to its name. From this menu, choose Share Snapshot. Here you'll see a drop-down where you can decide how you want to share it. For example, as a permanent link, a one-time share link, or via an email share link. Pick the option that best fits how you want to distribute it, then click on Get Link. You can now copy that link and share your snapshot with others or use it to import into another account.